Hello everyone! I have a small washi tape haul today, and they're all from one shop. But before the washi, I'm going to sneak in a quick gift unboxing. I got this from my sister. It is a set of coasters. This one is a dog, and I believe the other one is a cat. It looks quite unique, and she said that it is from a handmade store called O&A, and I will link them in the description below. Now moving on to the start of this video, all these washi are from an artist place called Maruco's Art. You can find her store on Pinkoi, which is a marketplace like Etsy, but most of the vendors are Asia-based. It was actually quite difficult to get this package right now as they couldn't ship to North America due to the COVID situation. So I actually had to ask a few favors from different people in order to get these goodies all the way to my hands. But you will see soon, it is totally worth it. I only bought 6 washis this time. This is the shop business card. The owner wrote a short note there and included some freebie, and so sweet of her. The 2 washi tapes that I wanted the most are these tarot cards ones. She actually created a box of these tarot cards itself, and you can find it in her shop. But of course, I wanted the washi version of it. The 22 major arcana are split into 2 rows. Her artwork is just way too good. This haul video was filmed on multiple days so that I can show you later on how I use this beautiful tarot cards washi in a spread. Her designs are usually animal themed. It includes a lot of florals as well. I really like this romantic, soft watercolor style. It's very ethereal, storybook-like. This washi is called Accompanying, which is just the girl hugging different kinds of animals. Especially this one with the cats was the one that captivated me to buy this roll. By the time this video is uploaded, I will probably have used this in my journal, so go check out my Instagram. This next washi is super cute. It's just different animals depicted in a carnival, maybe festival scenes. And look at that cat one. It's my favorite. I love it. All these washi are in bigger size, so it is great for making scenes and decorating in journals. This roll is called Animal Tea Party. The quality of the washi paper are very good. I can't say enough about it. This last washi is called Kitty Grocery House. I'm a cat lady through and through, so this one is right up my alley. I know this video is dedicated to only one store, but this is not a sponsored video. I genuinely like her artwork. I like every single washi that I've bought in here. They're just too beautiful. I filmed this section a week later because I was waiting for the new notebook to arrive. If you're interested to know which notebook I'm using here, please please check out my last bullet journal unboxing video. Since it was the beginning week of October, I decided to use the tarot cards washi for my October monthly spread. I have cut all the 22 tarot cards out from the washi tape first, and then I did something that I had never done before, which is record a tarot card reading using the washi. I had a big question in mind for October. I couldn't really share the question here, but then I have a tarot card reading, and these 4 cards are the results. I'm using a gold washi to create a background to frame these cards. I've got this quite elegant looking washi, so I'm gonna use it like a border around the top and bottom of the tarot spread. Then with a gold gel pen, I give it some decorative dots around the border. For the October stamp, I was going to use my gold ink pad, but it was dried up, so I chose the saffron archival ink from Ranger Ink instead. Finally, finish it off with a stamp filigree decoration at the top and bottom of the page. This is the final look of my October cover page. The last thing that I want to show you all is the awesome monthly date cover from Maruco. She generously creates these digital date covers every month, and this month is Halloween themed. I'm so grateful for these. I printed them out and use it on a weekly spread already. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I have included Maruco's information in the description below. See you next time.